Today, I'm gonna show you how I sneeze, and it's very loud because, like, if you ever heard me sneeze, you would wish to turn hawk in your dreams and freaking stab me on the ground, or you just freaking and if you were a roommate with me and I sneezed all night during the night, you know what you would do? You would move out the freaking house with me, okay? And I want to stop sneezing. Oh my god, I want to stop shaving. Big English today. Like, what the is wrong with me? Like, so freaking. Wait, what was I gonna say? Alright, listen. If I ever sneezed, like, if I ever tried to sneeze, like, not loud, it would sound like this, alright? It's you! And if I ever tried to like act like I was just yelling in one of my YouTube videos, like I was doing, and just act like I didn't try to act like I did sneeze, it would sound like this. It's you, Shane! Alright, bye guys. It's bad. What is he has? I love y'all niggas. Oh yeah, I forgot to jump out my bed. Let's. Wait, actually, I'm not gonna jump on my bed for that long. So I'm just gonna leave y'all right now with a freaking dance move, alright? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Actually, I'm gonna have to jump far. Alright. 1, 2, 3.